You know what makes living in this house so special?
Let me guess, the tiki bar?
No, you're 5 minutes from Old Town Folsom, here where we have coffee, wine bars, everything you could want. And the Palladio, where you can grab dinner, go shopping, watch a movie, or even live music here in the courtyard.
I don't know about that. For me, it's Folsom Lake. This is what I'm talking about, man. The water, the trails, the views. It's the perfect place to get a quick getaway and relax.
Bro, views? Have you not seen the backyard? You see what I'm saying? This backyard is insane. I couldn't even imagine leaving this place to go to those other spots.
You think this is insane? Wait until you see inside.
Wide open living spaces, so much room to breathe, and whether you're hosting a crowd or keeping it low key, this home is the perfect getaway.
And the primary suite's like a fancy hotel. Vaulted ceilings, spa-style bath, and enough custom touches to feel like a one-of-one.
This kitchen doesn't just look good, it flows. Granite counters, chef-level appliances, and space to actually enjoy cooking.
Style, location, and more than enough room to live your life out loud.
Folsom Lake, the Palladio, Old Town Folsom, all just minutes away. And now the only thing left
It's for you to come see it.